Welcome to Laura's English Vibe.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to Laura's English Vibe. Today we're learning windows and glass. Let's get started. Open the window. Laura opens the window to let some fresh air in. Air out the room. Laura airs out the room every morning. Clean the windows. Laura cleans the windows once a month. Spray the glass cleaner on the window. Laura sprays the glass cleaner on the window before wiping it. Wipe the window glass. Laura wipes the window glass with a microfiber cloth. Clean the window frame. Laura cleans the window frame after cleaning the glass. Clean the window tracks. Laura cleans the window tracks to remove built-up dirt. Wipe the window shell. Laura wipes the window shell every week. Dust the blinds. Laura dusts the blinds every weekend. Vacuum the curtains. Laura vacuums the curtains to remove dust. Amazing job! Today, you have learned 10 new useful English phrases. Keep practicing these phrases every day. Subscribe to Laura's English Vibe